can easily see that even Infosys and TCS have been dragging down. But I would still be waiting for a few more days of price action in order to conclude that the short-term up move is over and the downtrend has started, especially in Infosys because it has been consolidating for quite some time, and I think in 2017 IT can be an outperforming sector because it has been done the time correction required over past 2 years, and now we have started seeing some kind of attraction on the sector as a whole. So today's movement is definitely a little nervous sign, but nevertheless, I would probably try to look at what's going to happen over the weekly close. So if the weekly close in this index still continues to be negative below prior week's low, then that's going to be a concerning. But if we manage to bounce back again from the lower levels, then there is a possibility some consolidation, post some consolidation, IT can again start outperforming. And the first stock peak is going to be on the buy side is Hindustan Zinc. This stock has been moving in an upward sloping channel, and recently it formed a very important low near the zone of 250, from where there was a gap up opening, and the price have managed to sustain above the previous pivot high as well, which was around 260. So there is a possibility we might start seeing retracement of the prior fall, and price can head towards the level of 280 or 285 on the upside, and this can be probably the fifth wave on the upside, and that's why momentum might be little less, and one can create long position in Hindustan Zinc keeping a stop loss of 257 for the target of 282. And the next call is on Wockhardt Pharma, as it's already in news and it has shown a very strong gap up opening, and is so far sustaining the gap area. So I think we might again see some kind of a retracement of the prior fall, and the stock can head towards the level of 780 or 800 on the upside. So crossing above the level of 730 is going to be crucial because that is where the trendline resistance is placed. And if it manages to close above that level, then I think we are definitely headed towards 780, and one should maintain a stop loss of 680 on downside.
Okay, some interesting stock ideas.
The overall IT index is today under pressure, and there is a possibility we might start seeing this pressure to continue over probably 2 to 3 days. But a weekly close becomes an important part of it, and we are very closely observing if price can manage to give a positive weekly close after today's sell-off. So that's going to be important, and I think in 2017 the overall underperformance cycle of IT probably might be ending, and we might start seeing an outperformance cycle, but that is from a bigger horizon of entire 2017. So 2017 might hold some positive signs for IT eventually. And on Mindtree, I think the stock was moving in a higher low pattern. So as per classical Dow theory, this indicates that the short-term trend has been positive. So for this trend to reverse, we have to see a decisive break below 480. So I think anyone who is holding on to long position should use a 480 as a very important stop loss. And if it breaks 480, then yes, we might again head lower towards 410 where it can retest. But if it manages to protect 480, then some retracement on upside can continue.